Hello friends, welcome to our channel Wonder Woman. My name is Pranali and today our topic is related to financial awareness and we will discuss top 8 money management tips that will help you to arrange your money better and boost your step toward financial security. First, let us understand the importance of money in our life. Money is a tool that enables you to protect yourself, build yourself and your family a better life. You can definitely solve most of your problems in life if you have an unlimited supply of money. The only problem is that money does not come so easily to any person by any amount of wishing, praying and wanting. You have to work hard and have a plan to grow, accumulate and sustain your wealth. Rich people are rich because they know the true value of money and hence they manage their businesses. If you are a lavish spender, spending money in unnecessary way, you will soon lose all your wealth. Hard work and commitment is essential if you want money to stay in your hands. If you have money, rather than spending it on unnecessary things, you should try to invest it. Let's discuss some financial money management tips which are useful in our day-to-day life. First and foremost is identify income. Review all sources and amount of income after tax for the past 3 months to determine your monthly income. Some examples are income from employment. It could be salary, bonus or incentive. Saving account. It could be interest from saving or PPF account. Also there could be income from maturity of any recurring fixed account as well. Dividend from stock. If you hold equity stock, there could be some additional income from dividend paying stock. Part-time businesses like tuition, coaching, marketing and trading business. Second is identify expenses. Review all bills and expenses for the last 3 months to determine your monthly expenses. For examples, recurring expenses. It could be grocery, rent, EMI of car loan, home loan or phone bills. Variable expenses like credit card fees, fuel bills, dining out, shopping, movies and entertainment expenses. Yearly expenses. It could be premium for car insurance, health insurance and other policies, vacations, schools fee or property tax. There are few apps that will help you to track your expenses. Good Budget Finance app, Walnut Money Management app, Expenses Management app, MoneyView, Wallet Personal Finance and Expense Tracker app. The next is prepare a monthly budget. Plan your expenses for a given period and monitor if you have spent more than you planned. Write down a budget so you will know each month you can spend on. For example, I will only spend 1,000 rupees in a month on movie, chocolate, coffee, etc. Only spend cash that has been planned for spending and put the rest into saving or investment. Plan your budget each month. Make sure to include all fixed bills such as rent, electricity, water bill, etc. These are bills you know you have to pay each month. Subtract this from your income and you will know how much you have left with. It is important to pay this bill first so that you do not get behind payments. Plan your shopping. Try to plan your shopping as per your need. You can use discount shopping. By joining with a friend for membership, you can benefit for this discount and share the membership fees. This saving will certainly boost your saving account. Keep an eye on product offer and try to grab them on discount. Another one is coupon. Nowadays, various type of coupons are available online. Understand the information on your coupons will allow you to use them properly and get value for money. The next is try to plan your vacation on a budget. Everyone needs a break from their daily routine for stress relief and to recharge energy levels. If planned smartly, you cannot only save money but get some of the best deals available in the market. Plan your retirement. Friends, how many of you have started saving for your retirement? Planning is important when it comes to retirement. Being rich or wealthy before retirement means having enough money to fulfill all your needs before you retire. Successful retirement planning can help you to achieve this goal. For financial security after retirement, it needs proper planning, commitment, and efficient money management. The mistake people make is that they do not even think for retirement planning until they are in their late 30s or 40s, and you barely have 10 to 15 years to save money. It takes away all the compound interest you could have otherwise gained on your saving. What you can save within the first few years of starting your career will go on to become a massive amount over the next 25 to 30 years. It is never too early or too late to design a retirement and saving plan. You can get help from professional financial planner to help you achieve your retirement smoothly. Managing your credit card smartly. Credit card can be a great help during emergency. You may not have considered this yet, but obtaining credit to open a business, purchase a house or a car, or even to have your own credit card, you need to have good, responsible, and timely payment history. Manage your credit facility efficiently. Avoid late payment of bill. A good credit report will impact your credit score positively and vice versa. Several stores and websites offer good discount on different credit cards. You can avail great discount by smartly using your credit cards. The last and the most important is invest instead of saving. It is important to start investing so that you may gain the best possible return on your saving. Here are a few ways to invest your saving. The first is NPS, that is New Pension Scheme. Is an excellent instrument product for retirement and is open to all. It has a record of delivering annualized return of around 10% in the past few years. The next is EPF, that is Employees Provident Fund. It is probably the most famous retirement planning instrument in India. The current rate of return of Employees Provident Fund is 8.5% per annum. However, these are a traditional way to invest. Now let's look at the most recommended way to invest for a greater return in long term, that is equity and mutual fund. Equity-based instruments like a stock and mutual funds provide the best return in longer run. Make sure you pick the right product for long term while investing in this instrument. That's all for today, friend. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more updates to our channel Wonder Woman. एजुकेशन हो, कुकिंग हो या हो सीखना फैशन, हर वक्त हर पल आपके साथ है वंडर वुमन।